Hello everyone, I am Johnson. Today, let's learn how to create a carousel. Carousel navigation allows users to easily view multiple pieces of content, like images or text slides, in an automated rotating manner. It works by displaying a limited number of slides at once and enabling users to scroll between them either automatically or by clicking left or right arrows or dot indicators. Carousel navigation provides an effective way to showcase multiple pieces of related content in a limited space, while maintaining easy scrolling between them. It's a very common component you'll see used on apps to feature things like images, videos, text slides, and more. Let's create the prototype. We'll create a carousel that can autoplay and includes indicators at the bottom. Users will be able to swipe left or right to navigate between slides. First, let's drag and drop a rectangle onto the canvas and adjust its size. Then, set its fill to the uploaded image and choose the Stretch to Cover option. Next, we'll create the rectangle as a dynamic panel and name it Carousel. Go into the dynamic panel. We'll create multiple states by duplicating the initial state and changing the image for each state to represent different slides. To create the scrim for the indicators, let's drag and drop another rectangle and change its color to a linear with semi-transparent black at both ends. Now, let's add ellipses to represent the indicators. Duplicate the ellipse twice, select the 3 ellipses, and give them a selection group. Select the first ellipse and set its selected style by changing the fill color to yellow. Copy and paste the style to the other 2 ellipses. Adjust their sizes. By default, the first ellipse should be selected. Next, let's set up the interactions. Select the dynamic panel and add a loaded interaction. Set the dynamic panel state to Next and check the wrap from last to first option. Add a slide left animation and check Repeat every 2000 milliseconds. This will make the carousel automatically play when loaded. Add a swipe left interaction and set the dynamic panel state to the Next, also checking the wrap from last to first option. Add a slide left animation. Similarly, add a swipe right interaction and set the dynamic panel state to the previous. We also need to add fire event actions to swipe left and swipe right. For the target, select this, and for the event, select loaded. This way, after swiping in the carousel, it will automatically play. To set the entire component as the trigger area, we will create all the elements as dynamic panels. Add the swipe left interaction and fire event action. For the target, select carousel, and for the event, select swipe left. Add the swipe right interaction and fire event action. For the target, select carousel, and for the event, select swipe right. Lastly, name the 3 rectangles of the indicators as 1, 2, and 3. Select the carousel dynamic panel and add a panel state changed interaction. Add conditions to select the corresponding ellipse based on the dynamic panel state. For example, if the dynamic panel state is state 1, select ellipse 1. Repeat this for the other states and ellipses. Preview the prototype. You can see that the carousel automatically plays. Swiping left takes you to the next slide, swiping right takes you to the previous slide, and it will continue to autoplay after a while. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.